Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you guys what I found underneath my my vehicle and the motors. For those of you who's out there who's ever want to like do the upgrade, if you got the long range and you want to do like use the Ingenext, but Ingenext, they need to your motors has to be like 980. Which right now, when I try to remove it and I see it is 980. So I don't know, honey, can you come closer and then you record it? That one right there.
Yeah. I can't sit on that table. Oh, I can't.
Nope. That is the performance motors. Okay, so with the Ingenext, you buy about a little bit over 2,000, and if you do the installations, it's gonna like open up and release like the potential of this motors, and this is gonna be like you can turn this into like a performance Model Y, which is $2,000. Unlike the Tesla website where you can do the acceleration boost, which is you pay $2,000 and you only get like half a second faster. Okay, so right now, since my car is 2023 and it's still under warranty, I really don't want to play with it much. But as soon as the warranties expire, that's the path that I'll be looking forward to, because before this, I could have gotten performance, but I got the long range. Thank God that it does have the performance motor, so that's the route that I'll be going. So maybe after 5 years, you see me do the review of the upgrade of the Ingenext. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.